Hello everybody, we would like to introduce you to our new series of fuel systems, the Titanium Signature Series Plus. Now these Signature Series Plus systems have adapted from the previous pipe thread fittings in the inlet port and outlet port, and we have changed those out for ORB fittings. And what I mean by that is this fitting here has this O-ring installed, and once you thread it into the unit and tighten it, that O-ring is going to ensure that leak-free seal. Now you can see these fittings sitting in front of me here, all nice black anodized fittings and black fuel line, and that's going to give you an even cleaner installation than previously. Another update to these kits is any kit that comes with a bulkhead fitting is going to be an updated design like this one you can see right here. Now this has a male AN flare on the top, and depending on which kit, it will either be a -8 or -10. And you're going to thread that anodized black 90-degree mandrel fitting right onto the top, and that's going to further reduce any restrictions and just bringing the sound of that FASS system even lower. Now for more information on our new series, to locate a dealer near you or to order yours today, check them out at fastride.com.